Question number 21. Let S1 is a set of minima and S2 is a set of maxima for the curve y equals to 9x to the power 4 plus 12x cube minus 36x square minus 25. Then we have given 4 options. We'll now move towards the solution. Our y equation, we have written down our y equation. Now we'll find dy by dx, or we can say f dash x. F dash x, this is our f dash x so differentiating with respect to x, we'll get 36x cube plus 36x square minus 72x. On taking 36x as common, we'll get x square plus x minus 2 in bracket, and on factorization we'll get x plus 2 into x minus 1 into 36x. So our critical points are 0, minus 2, comma 1. So on a number line, we'll check sign of f dash x. We have one critical point minus 2, then 0, then 1, and we know sign of f dash x minus, plus, minus, plus. Minus 2 is a point of minima. This is our point of minima. Zero is our point of maxima. And 1 is our point of minima. So our minus 2 and 1 points are points of minima, and 0 is the point of maxima. So our correct solution is B option. Thank you.